Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a watermark in Microsoft Word. Now, in order for me to show you, I'm just going to head over here and we're going to go ahead and click the insert button, or rather the design, and then we're going to head over to watermark. Now, there are different watermark options that are already available right here. You can definitely make use of them. Yeah, for example, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one right here. Here you go. You can see that it's there. Let's go ahead and try to make this. Okay, there you go. And yeah, say for example, you want a different watermark, you want to customize this, you can definitely do that. You can go ahead and click here, custom watermark, and instead of do not copy, you can type whatever you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and put here Vladimir, for example, and then hit OK, and you can see that now my name is there. Now, what if, say, for example, you want to use a picture or logo of your company, say, for example, that is definitely possible. You can go ahead and choose picture watermark, select picture, and then you have to locate where that is. So I'm going to choose from a file. Now, this is the tricky part though, because sometimes this kind of is difficult to click. But yeah, once you click that one, you are going to see something like this. Let's head over and locate that one. Click the insert button right here, and you can see that now it's here. Hit OK, and you can see that the watermark has been applied. So, yeah, every time you are going to generate new pages, it is going to come out automatically. Again, everybody, that's how you're going to create a watermark in Microsoft Word.